Hi everyone. Today is Wednesday, December 14th, 2016. My name is Brian McEnany. I'm the hydrologist here with the National Weather Service in Salt Lake City, and we've got another winter storm on the way. So let's talk about that. What we're looking at here are the winds at about 11,500. This feature right here is a big low pressure that's bringing a lot of cold air, and it's rotating counterclockwise. This clockwise rotating feature is a high pressure that's located over Baja. With it, it's bringing a lot of warm air, very moist air, and it's interacting with the low that's circling here. As a result, we have another atmospheric river that's moving in. But if you look at the direction, it's southwest flow. With southwest flow brings warmer temperatures and a lot of moisture. When we look at the northern Wasatch, we'll start off there, as we typically do. Snow total is about 10 to 16 inches, so you can see the storm's not as big as the last one. Snow water equivalent 1.3 to 2 inches. It's going to start about Thursday afternoon. It's going to end roughly around Friday night. And we're going to see the greatest snow intensity, the hardest snow, Friday morning with 1 inch to 2 inches per hour. But the key to this entire system are the snow levels at 8,000 feet. Below 8,000 feet, it's going to rain. Above 8,000 feet, it's going to snow. But if you get up above 8,000 feet, I'm going to talk about the winds here. We're going to have some pretty high winds with this. And then as that low pressure comes in, it's going to bring a cold front that's going to drop the snow levels down to the valley floor, roughly around 4,000 feet. And as a result, we're going to see snow density totals going from roughly 12 to 16% down to about 7%, but the majority of the moisture will already have gone through, and we're only going to see a brief period at 7% snow. When you look at the winds, Friday morning, Friday afternoon, gusts just about 80 miles an hour with sustained winds somewhere in the range of 50 to 55 miles an hour along the Wasatch Front, and these are at the crests up near Ogden Peak in those areas. Central Wasatch on the front side, and these areas include Alta, Snowbird, Brighton, and Solitude. Snow totals 10 to 18 inches with 1.2 to 2.0 snow water equivalents. It's going to start Thursday afternoon. It's going to end Saturday morning, sometime around there, maybe late Friday night. Greatest snow intensity is Friday morning. It could even be the afternoon with 2 inches per hour, and the snow level at the onset is up to about 8,500 feet, unfortunately. Snow density is going to be down to the valley floor when that cold front comes through. We're going to see snow density trends roughly about 7 to 12%, and then it's going to drop back to 7% when that cold front does hit after everything goes through. But I think if you're going to be out in this area, we're going to have wind gusts Friday morning, possibly up to 90 miles an hour. And wind loading is going to be a problem. It's going to be out of the west, southwest, and then the west as it veers. Sustained winds up to 60 miles an hour during this very same time. And then as the storm moves on through Friday night, winds are going to drop off significantly. When you jump over to the Wasatch backside, and what we're looking at here, the Sundance, Park City, the Canyons, and Deer Valley, snow totals about 9 to 13 inches. Snow water equivalent about 0.9 to 1.4 inches. Thursday afternoon is when it's going to start. It's going to end Friday afternoon, and the greatest snow intensity most likely will be Friday afternoon with 1 inch per hour, but again 8,500 feet with these base areas in the rain. It's going to drop back to the valley floors. We're going to get snow at the later part of this storm sometime around Friday afternoon. Again, most of the moisture is already going to gone through, and snow density trends about 12 to 16%. Again, when you look at the winds, 80 mile an hour gusts sometime around Friday afternoon from west southwest. It's going to really start picking up Thursday night as soon as this system does move through. So high winds out of the west southwest, and then as it veers into the northwest, as that low comes through, 7% density snow, and winds are going to drop off. Now let's move over to the Uintas, and these are the western areas of the Uintas, especially Windy Peak, 10 to 14 inches. 1.3 to 1.8 snow water equivalent. Snow is going to begin Thursday afternoon and Friday afternoon. Greatest snow intensity is usually Friday afternoon, about 1 inch per hour. But again, the rain is going to be at 8,500 feet and below. And then when it gets cold, we're going to see the snow drop down. Really variable densities, 12 to 14%. And the winds Friday morning, 90-mile-an-hour gusts out of the west. And it's really going to go westerly all the way Thursday night through Friday afternoon, and then things are going to taper off as they veer west-northwest. So there you go. I wish we had a little bit better information, a little bit better news than rain below 8,000 to 8,500 feet. But that's what we have, is it's tapping that tropical moisture. We'll wait for the next storm, and until that time, be safe. And I'm thankful that you took time to listen to this. You can see us on Facebook, Twitter. There's my email. And really, always look at the Utah Avalanche Center. They have great information. Have some information before you go out into this storm. And be safe. Thanks for taking the time, and we'll talk to you again when we do the next one. See ya.